How's it going, guys? Does your hitch make this noise? Kotunk kotunk. Well, mine does. So I got this. It's a hitch tightener. One U-bolt, one tightener plate, 2 lock washers, 2 flat washers, 2 nuts. Tools needed: 3/4 socket or open wrench. And here are the instructions. Awesome. Oh wow, this is pretty thick. Wow, it's pretty heavy duty, guys. Bag in a bag in a bag. Wow, look at that. Feels good. Okay. All right. Washer. Lock washer. Nut. Lock washer. And nut. Make them both even. Then we're going to tighten it up. Okay guys, here it is installed. See how it goes. Now these nuts don't have a torque on them in the directions here. That would be awesome. I did notice after tightening it that there's no noise. But if you go really hard from side to side, there's still a little noise, but it's not as bad. And up and down, there is no noise. Side to side a little bit. I could go more tight on these nuts here. I probably would have to use a breaker bar, get a little bit more tighter. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna be pretty quiet now going down the highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Quick, easy video. Aloha and take care and be safe always.